Are you being bombarded with ads selling the best eyelash glue and you're just overwhelmed by all of the marketing and you're just looking for a really good, affordable eyelash glue that's going to last for your clients? Well, watch this video and I'm going to talk about the best eyelash glue that I have been using for several years now, and it's been working wonders for my clients. For business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. So have you been struggling to get your clients' lashes to maintain in between their maintenance or fill-in appointments? Well, after watching this video, you're going to see the adhesive that I have been using has really helped to eliminate that problem. So the outcome of using this product is going to make your job so much easier. Well, the two types of adhesive that I use are the Tempting Lashes Appealing Adhesive, which the appealing adhesive is great for a hold of 5 to 6 weeks. It's got a drying time of 0.5 to 1 seconds, and it is great for all individual eyelash extension services. And the second type that I use is the Tempting Lashes Ravishing Adhesive. Now this adhesive has a drying time of 1 second and the hold time is 7 to 8 weeks. Now I use this adhesive for all individual eyelash extensions and also for volume lash extensions as well. But this adhesive is extremely great for those who tend to have oily hair follicles and lash follicles, or their lashes for whatever reason just don't seem to hold as long. So using this stronger adhesive on those clients has made a world of difference in my life and has created less headaches. I've been through so many types of adhesives and glues over the years when I have been working with doing eyelash extensions, and it's a headache when the client's lashes are not holding up in between the fill-ins and you know you're doing everything that you possibly can to help your clients and give a great service. So now I have shown you the hold time and the wear on these different eyelash glues that I highly recommend and I have been using for several years now. And it's holding up beautifully in between maintenance appointments for our clients. So if you're not a professionally trained eyelash extension stylist, I wrote a book about being a professionally trained eyelash extension stylist and the things that you should know. So I invite you to get a copy. You can click the link below to get your copy delivered to you today. And I highly recommend it because I have been doing eyelash extensions since 2008. It is my passion, and it is my passion to help you out in this area any way that I can. So get your copy today.